Have you ever wondered why some people are remembered for generations while others fade away into obscurity? Have you ever felt so pressured, especially in this present dispensation, where likes and the number of followers that you have on social media get to be the platform where many people measure the impact and influence of other people? If you stay with me throughout this video, at the end of this session, you will be able to live with the strategies, with the conviction, and with a strong decision on how to become a person of impact, significance, and transformation. We live in a generation where people seek to be popular instead of being influential. And we are also in that generation where there is a lot of confusion between popularity and influence. People get to confuse being popular and being influential. If you will be that person that will be remembered, whether you are alive or you are dead, or whether you are in the room or outside the room, then you have to understand the key secrets and key points that I'll be showing you throughout this session. One of the most important decisions that you can make in life, hear me very well, one of the most important decisions that you can make in life is to make the decision to seek to be a significant part of God's ultimate agenda, is to make the decision to seek to be a significant part in the lives of the people that you are called to serve. Do not seek to be seen first. We live in a generation where many people seek to be seen. Many people seek to be popular. And that is why many people do not last. Because when you seek to be seen, when you seek to be popular, it already means that you do not have what it takes to be a person of influence and impact who can stay in the minds and lives of people for a significant number of years or duration. Organic attention is the most powerful thing that you can learn, you can build, and you can experience. Mastering the art of generating organic attention will bring you into that place of long-term sustainability. And this is the main reason. I am speaking from research and experience and studies, right? This is the main reason why in this generation we have so many people that rise up so popular, and the next minute, the next week, they are down and nowhere to be found. The big challenge is many have not mastered the art of organic attention generation that can bring them to that place of sustainability. And I believe that in this short session, I will show you how to do this and be that person who can live and build a sustainable brand, a sustainable career, or a sustainable leadership personality that changes the lives of people. Do not be deceived by the number of followers and likes that people have. I keep on saying this: followers and likes are overrated. Is it good to have people that follow you? Yes, if at all you are a positive, significant influence in their lives. The goal is to seek to be a person of impact, a person of influence. Your responsibility as an entrepreneur, as a leader, as an executive, is to become that person that can influence the behavior of people, the thinking of people, the routines of people, the culture of people, and if possible, what they consume that will better their lives. That should be a responsibility. That should be where you should be thinking from in terms of influence and your ability to create impact that will stand the test of time. Let me give you a secret today. The next statement I'm about to make, if you can understand this statement and you can make up your mind to apply these statements in your life, I can guarantee you that your life will never remain the same. The people or the person who can create value, package that value, and be able to distribute that value in a way that it can serve people is the person that will stand the test of time. If you can know how to do this, if you can know how to generate or create value, you can know how to package that value, and you can know how to distribute that value, in a way that people consume that value and they are served in such a significant way, you will always be a person of influence. So my encouragement for you is stop chasing validation and start chasing vision and value. In this generation, many people are chasing validation, and validation does not last. But when you chase vision and you chase value creation, you will last. You will last. Why? Because popularity fades away. Popularity fades away. Trends will come and go. But God-given vision, fueled by your desire to create significant impact, will stand the test of time. What am I saying? Discover your purpose, stay rooted in your purpose, and have the consciousness that true significance does not stand on the foundation of applause. No. True significance and true influence stands on the foundation of creating value that serves people and advance their lives. Here's one secret that many people do not know, or some people know and they ignore it. Influence grows in obscurity. You can be in your season of obscurity right now. You can be in your season of small beginnings right now, but your influence that will stand the test of time is growing. If you study, if you're a person who study, I like to read biographies. I like to buy books and biographies of people who have made it. If you read biographies of top leaders, top entrepreneurs, top executives, there's one thing that you will discover. You will discover that most of the transformative leaders that we respect and we celebrate began their journey hidden from the spotlight. And this is something that this generation is not comfortable with. Anybody who is comfortable in starting their journey being hidden from the spotlight will always stand the test of time. Because when you are hidden, what happens? You are honing your craft, you are building your character, you're building your skill set, you are expanding, and you are being prepared for a moment that when the world will be ready for you, your voice will be heard. Here's my challenge for you. Focus on transformation and not transactions. Focus on transformation and not chasing validations. True impact is measured by the lives that you can change, not by the fleeting metrics of online engagement. And here's one thing I've discovered. When your impact is genuine, online engagement will follow naturally. Be the catalyst for transformation in someone's destiny. That should be your focus. I am created and sent here on earth to be a catalyst for someone's transformation as far as their destiny is concerned. I always say something. If anybody come close to me, if I talk to you, or you read my article, or you watch my video, or you read my books, my absolute focus is whether you spend a minute, hours, weeks, the time that you give me your attention. My goal in this life is to make sure that in one little way, I am a catalyst to your destiny manifestation. Seek to influence the core of those you encounter. Seek to influence the core of those who come in contact with you. Come to the place where your mission is to help the people you are called to serve to live their highest lives. For you to do this, you need to be comfortable at valuing quality over quantity. This generation, we value quantity over quality. It is okay to impact a single life because a single life that is properly impacted is way better than 1,000 superficial, casual connections. So when you focus on quality, the ripple effect of your work will outlast trends, times, and fun. You need to come to a place where the things that you are doing, your focus should be on quality, transformation, and impact. Because here is the fact. Only transformation, impact, significance, and quality can outlast trends, popularity. That is the only condition. But if you do things because of trends and popularity, immediately that trend is dying down, you are dying down. But when you operate from a higher level of significance and impact and transformation and all of these things, you will see things from a different perspective. To round up, I have been talking too much. To round up, here's my encouragement to you. Be a steward and not a performer. The giftings, the talent, the skills, and everything that God has given to you is for you to steward it and serve people, not for you to be a performer, for people to celebrate you, for you to get likes and followers. There is something higher. There is a higher calling for you. Your life is not a stage for showing off, but your life is a platform for serving others. Steward that gift faithfully. Steward that skill faithfully. Steward that talent faithfully, knowing that God entrusted these things to you for a higher purpose. And what is that higher purpose? To serve his people and to advance his agenda. So serve before you shine. Serve before you shine. And when you serve the right way, shining becomes effortless. The greatest leaders, from biographies and from the things that I've read and observed, the greatest leaders are those who served diligently in the shadows before stepping into the light. Many people want to skip the shadows and step into the light. And in the light, they're stepping into the light when they don't have the character, the skill set, the knowledge, or anything that can keep them in the light. Serve. This is the path to greatness. Why? Because service cultivates humility. Service cultivates character. Service builds experience. And when these things are built in you, honor will be effortless. You will be honored effortlessly. Therefore, build systems of value, not just moments of attention. Build systems of value and not moments of attention. It is not enough to be noticed. It is not enough to be seen. What is enough is that you are transformational. You are significant. You are creating impact. You are building systems, products, platforms, frameworks, things that when people consume, when people come in contact with these things, it provides value for them and change their lives and make them better and better and better. God bless you.